Today, I'm showing you how to use Apple's new Image Playground feature to create amazing AI art right from your iPhone. First things first, make sure your device is running iOS 18.2. This only works on the iPhone 16 or iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max. Once updated, go into Settings and turn on Apple Intelligence and Siri. The Image Playground app should appear automatically. If it doesn't, just download it from the App Store. Open the app. You might need to request access first, but once approved, you're good to go. Tap Continue to get started. Now, you can type a prompt like Robot Sparrow, and Apple Intelligence will generate a set of AI images in seconds. Swipe left or right to browse, and it'll even keep generating more if you keep scrolling. If you want to spice it up, tap on Suggestions to instantly add new elements to your image. You can stack multiple prompts like dinosaur or scenery to get cool combos like Robot Dino Sparrow. When you find one you love, tap the three dots to share, save, or copy the image. And that's it. That's how you bring your AI art to life with Image Playground on iPhone.